Something serious to talk about. More than 500,000 women die every single year from complications related to pregnancy and childbirth. The issue of maternal deaths will get some much-needed attention tonight thanks to JPIGO. JPIGO is a global health nonprofit affiliated with Johns Hopkins, and they're going to host this special event tonight. Former supermodel turned maternal health advocate and filmmaker Christy Thurlington is going to be hosting this thanks to JPIGO, and Dr. Leslie Mancuso, president and CEO of the organization, here to tell us about No Woman, No Cry. Thanks for coming in.
Well, thank you. This is such an important issue. We're so thrilled that you would have us on to talk about the film and the issue.
Now, while we're chatting, we're going to look at clips from the video.
Yes.
What's it about, and how did it come about?
You know, it came about because she herself had complications in her pregnancy and delivery, and realized and thought about the fact that maybe there are women out there that can't afford health care, and what do they do, and what happens to them. So she started looking at the situation and went to different countries: Bangladesh, Tanzania, Guatemala, and certainly the United States. And it tells the story of what's happening to women that are pregnant and trying to deliver.
And you've seen it. What's it like? Is it good?
You know, I've seen it, and I think as JPIGO we live it every day, because that's what we have been working for close to 40 years. We've been trying to prevent the needless death of women and their families. So for us, it tells the story of what my midwives and doctors and nurses are doing in 55 countries around the world.
And Christy Thurlington's going to be here tonight. I think some might say, wow, you know, most of us know her as a supermodel, but she's also a huge humanitarian and an advocate. How is JPIGO connected in with all of this?
Well, number one, she's advocating for an issue that's close to us, which is women's health. But number two, we have a physician in the film. His name is Godfrey, was trained by JPIGO. In fact, he's a master trainer and expert in maternal newborn health. He's in Tanzania. At the same time, we helped them in Tanzania with some of their preliminary filming. So for us, them doing the story on Tanzania, one of the countries we work in, we also work in Bangladesh, and we've also worked in Guatemala. So all her countries are countries that we have had experience in and have worked in.
What do you want people to take away from all of this?
I want people to know that not only are women dying, one woman every minute, but most importantly, we can prevent 80% of those women from dying. We know how to take care of those women. So right now we have the tools for 80% of those women not to die. We just need to get those out to the countries.
So the screenings tonight, are there tickets still available?
The tickets are still available. They're $100 if you buy two. They're $75 a piece. It really is an incredible film, and it tells the story of what's happening to our women in this world.
Well, the film is, all the information's there on your screen. It's called No Woman, No Cry. It's at MICA tonight, 7 o'clock. If you want more information, you can always check out JPIGO's website, jpigo.org. Dr. Mancuso, thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much.
What a great organization.
I really appreciate you being interested.
How
Thanks so much.
exciting having her here.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Jamie.